Good morning, student of class 4th. How are you? I hope you all are well, fit and healthy. So student, I am teaching you chapter number 14, date is 17. Okay, and name of the chapter is Community Services. Name of the chapter is Community Services. Okay. So let recapitulate what we have done in our previous video, student. So in my previous video we discuss book exercises. We have completed book exercises. Question number A, tick the correct option. After that, question number B, fill in the blanks which are given in the book. In chapter number 14 we have completed. And now let's start with the question number C, true and false. For the given statement, we have to tell whether the given statement is true or whether it is false. Is it clear? So, question number C, write true or false. Write true or false. So, question number 1. Question number 1. Panchayats have only man as the sarpanch. So, note down. Panchayats have only man as the sarpanch. So student, first of all of you know that who is known as the sarpanch. So in the villages area, all the facilities are provided by the Gram Panchayat, and these member of Gram Panchayat are elected by the boards which is given by the people living in that villages. So now, and the head of the, after the members are selected, there is one head. So that head is known as, head of the Gram Panchayat is known as Sarpanch, or you can also say Pradhan. So question is, Panchayat have only man as the Sarpanch. It means it is given that the head of the Gram Panchayat is only male member, that is man. But so student, this statement is false. Females are also the sarpanch. Females can also become the sarpanch of the village. You can say sarpanch or you can say pradhan of the village. So student, this is a false statement. Now question number 2. There are 5 levels of government in India. So student, how many levels of governments are in India? So student, when I explained you at that time, I told you that in India we have three levels of government, that is central, state and local self government, that is in rural area, which is known as in villages area. So in the central, then state, and third is local self government. So but in this question here it is given there are 5 levels of government in India. So student, this is a false statement, because level of government in India are, there are 3 levels of government. Okay, so student, this is a false statement. Question number 3. The head of the municipal corporation is the mayor. The head of the municipal corporation is the mayor. So student, municipal corporations are in big cities, and in small towns or cities we have municipal committees. The method of election in municipal committee and corporation is same, but in the municipal committee the head is known as chairman, and in the municipal corporation the head is known as mayor. So the question is, the head of the municipal corporation is the mayor. So student, this is the right statement. So this is true. Question number 4. Each city is divided into wards for the purpose of electing members to the municipal corporation. Each city is each city is divided into wards for the purpose of electing members to the municipal corporation. So student, yes, this is the true statement. In both the election, I told you earlier also, whether it's a election of municipal committee which is in small towns or cities, or in municipal corporation, the method of election is same. The area is divided into different number of wards, and number of wards, student, depends on the population of the people living in that area. Is it clear? So each city is divided into wards for the purpose of electing members to the municipal corporation. So this is a true statement. Fifth, panchayats run schools in villages. Okay. Next question is, panchayat panchayats run school in villages. So students, see, these schools are run by the government for the children, so they get the education. Okay. And many facilities are provided by the government side. No fees, free of cost, they get the books, even clothes also, and even they are getting midday meal also. So these schools are set up by government, but gram panchayat, role of the gram panchayat is that they observe they see the smooth functioning of the school, that the children are getting all the facilities which are provided to them by the government. So they take care of all these things. Okay. Now student, open page number 86. Book exercises we will complete in the book only. But now question number D is question answers. Give short answers. Okay. So now student, take out your classwork copy. On the left hand side, write the date 17/9/2020. Chapter number 14. And the top you will write classwork. Name of the chapter is community services. And then you will write question number D. Give short answer and note down the first question from the board. Or you can also write from your book also. अरे अरे, इसमें आंसर ही नहीं लिखा. Okay, I forget to write the answer of question number 5. That is Panchayat run school in villages. So this is the false. This is the false statement. Okay, these schools are run by government and they take care, they look after that the facilities which is which are given by the government, whether the students are getting that facilities or not. Question number D. Give short answers. Question number 1. Who is the head of the municipal council? So here the word is used, student, municipal council. Okay, जब भी मैंने पढ़ाया तो मैंने डिफरेंस आपको इस तरह बताया, म्युनिसिपल कमेटी है एक और म्युनिसिपल कॉर्पोरेशन है. सो इफ इट इज गिवन म्युनिसिपल काउंसिल आल्सो स्टूडेंट, सो इट मीन्स वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट द म्युनिसिपल कमेटी. सो from each ward one member is selected and these members select the one head among all the members. For example, if there are 20 wards, then the number of members are 20 and these 20 members will select one members. Now this time the public is not giving the vote. These 20 peoples, they vote for them and they select a head, and the head of the municipal council is known as student chairman. So note down the answer. Chairman is the head. Chairman is the head of the municipal council. Then question number 2. Now see student, how many members are there in a village gram panchayat? Now next question is, how many members are there in village gram panchayat? So student, see, members are 7 to 17. Okay, members in the gram panchayat, they varies from 7 to 17. Now the question arises, how? So reason is that it depends upon the population of the village. Members there is varies from 7 to 17. Reason is that it depends upon the population of the village. So note down the answer. How many members are there in a village gram panchayat? How many members are there in a village gram panchayat? So note down the answer student. There are 7 to 17 members there are 7 to 17 members in village gram panchayat. Note down the answer. There are 7 to 17 members in village gram panchayat. Is it clear? Now note down the third question from the book, or you can also write from the board also. What is tax? Next question is, what is tax? Why we pay tax for the different things? What is the reason for that? So student, firstly note down the answer. money that people have to pay money that people have to pay to the government is called it tax. So student, these these tax are which is paid by the people. This is very important because see student, what are the facilities which we are getting? So for these facility, from where we are getting the money? Who will provide money for that? And no facility is possible without the money. In your house, if you see you are using electricity, you are paying the bill. For the water, you are paying the bill. For the house, if you are living in a city area, you are paying the tax for that. If you are driving a vehicle also, then even you are paying the tax for that. And all the things which we buy from the market, for all the things we are paying the tax. So, and even if you are earning money doing job, so even you are giving tax for that money also. So this is very important because this is the money which we are collecting from the people living in different areas. And again, this money is utilized for the welfare of the people living in that area. Otherwise, how this is possible that the government provide money? From where the government will provide money? So we are the peoples who are giving the money, and we are getting different types of facilities by paying these tax. So student, we must pay our tax on time. Is it clear? Next, now student, see, open page number 82. Open page number 82. See, not 82 page, 83 page. See, three pictures are given. How the villagers are cleaning the villages, and there is two scenes of the Gram Panchayat given this in this picture. So already you have written about Gram Panchayat in short question answer. So please draw this picture in your classwork copy. Okay, thank you student.